Right, amazing. So SOP at the moment it still remains with what I left with you yesterday, and that is going to be the inverse head and shoulder at the moment. So I do hope Bitcoin behaves somehow because we do have a very bullish pattern for SOP. That's going to be your left shoulder there, the head here. That's going to be your right shoulder at the moment. Okay, so you are still under the neckline. You are still under the neckline. You haven't popped out of the neckline. You haven't really crossed the neckline. And the worst about this coin is going to be if you actually do come down here to 416, lose the 416, and then it's actually going to be way more bad and you're going to be looking to dump even way more to the downside. At the moment, unfortunately, you're still putting in this resistance. I just want to see again how long it's going to take before you make that proper break to the upside. So let's bring in these EMAs right here. So you have time until tomorrow to actually make a decision, right? So I'm expecting this to actually just come here again, move like this sideways and pop to the upside, because not only are you putting in verse head and shoulder, but understand this, that you're putting in an ascending triangle as well. So if you do fail to break to the upside and you break to the downside instead, your next technical target is going to be down to 420. And if you actually break to the upside, then that's amazing. Your technical target out of the inverse head and shoulder is up here to 539. And I do hope, finger crossed, you break to the upside and move higher. But if you do break to the downside, then we don't have any other option. Just then rather than just coming down to 416 again. Okay, so that's it for this SOP. Let's move on to the next one, which is going to be OP.